Hello everyone, I have found a brand new AI art creating tool which is so much better than Midjourney, and I think that it is going to replace Midjourney in the near future. Because I'm not gonna lie, it is literally the best, AI art creating software I have found up till now. So what you're gonna want to do is, come on to Google and type greenlight.art. You want to press enter. So you're gonna come over to this really, unique and beautiful looking interface, which is, really user friendly. So what you're gonna want to do is tap on this button. All right, so it's gonna take you somewhere to create an account. It's just so easy. Just log in with your personal account or any other account, and it is gonna take you here. So as you can see, I have some credits, and I have already created some of the artwork. As you can see, it is like amazing, really unique, and everything is created by this art, this software. So I'm gonna open one of the art I like. For example, this one. This really amazing. It has like the prompt is here. All the details are written, and it is amazing. It really looks realistic. All right, so I'm gonna go down to here, and here you can see there are like different versions of this software. This is 1.0, 2.0, which is kind of realistic, and then 1.5 is also good. So for now, I'm gonna use the normal one. So I'm gonna type something. For example, let's type colorful donuts and orange table. Let's see what will we get. So this software is amazing because it is so much user friendly and is so much better than Midjourney. The reason is that in Midjourney is a lot of users, like millions of users are into it, and every second you see a pop-up of the image, and it is kind of disturbing. You don't have your personal space into it. So in this one, you have no one's going to distribute. It's like totally yours. All right, so I typed colorful donuts from an orange table, and here you can see amazing, pictures. For example, I'm gonna pick this one. This one has, an orange table or as wallpaper something, but it is amazing. The donuts, they look really amazing, pretty unique and realistic, to be honest. All right, so here's a prompt. Here's the negative. I don't know what is this, but here are like the other details of the software. All right. So here's different kind of pictures I created. Right. So I am left with 6 credits, which means I'm not gonna create. I'm not able to create the pictures now. But as you can see, I have created pretty much a lot of pictures. For example, this one, juicy burger with rice. I created this one, and this. Look at this. Who does not want to click on this picture? For example, this one. This looks, a lot really good. And let's see something else that I created. As I told you, I really love donuts, so here are some other pictures. This one, amazing, beautiful. Right, just jump on to some other. Here are some pictures of cars. This one is not a bit realistic, but it is really cool. You can tell. And let's jump onto this angle again, donuts. But the pictures are amazing, to be honest. So the reason I told you about this software is this is totally free. You can create whatever you like, and it has so much potential now that if you use it now, like it is so much, advantageous for you. because Midjourney has a lot of users. This one has, not that much users, and it is free to use, where you have your own personal space, and it is pretty good. This is, I guess, the new competitor for Midjourney, because you see the advantages I just told you is really good. You can do whatever you like. You can, I've told you pretty much everything, and it's really cool. So thank you everybody for watching my video, and if you like the video, subscribe my channel, and comment down below how was your experience, and I'll see you on the next one.